Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we started 2026 with the gap up. We are currently up 0.4% approximately on NQ, but we closed the year below this support and resistance level. Very important to me, 25,620 to 650 basically. I think we are still in this high volatility range in decision, and we have daily compression on our ATR based oscillator as well. So tomorrow is Friday, and we don't have anything important for Friday. But next week we have JOLTS, unemployment numbers, and unemployment rate, which is very important to see some direction until January CPI. Yeah, so back to the charts. I won't expect anything crazy for tomorrow as it is OPEX, but we have, you can see volume imbalance here. We had a gap up, and there is a chance New York session can be corrective if we continue to pump until New York Open. So right now on the 15-minute chart, we're in a downtrend below 200 AMA, 1 hour chart as well below 200 AMA. But yeah, things are pretty much still compressed on volatility wise. If I open the VIX, you can see we are currently trending to the upside, and we have this 16.1 volume balance level here, which I think will be closed before another volatility crash if there is one. But yeah, we are currently trending up on 15-minute chart, and we reclaim 200 AMA on 15 minutes. So yeah, as I said, indecision right now in the market, but still technically in a downtrend on a shorter time frame, and in an uptrend on a 4-hour and bigger time frames. So basically, we can stay in this range until CPI. If there is no huge unemployment data change, then we can simply have this zigzag here. Apart from that, I want to show you Bitcoin as well. So we had the yearly close at 87,600. So the first yearly close ever, which is red after the cycle peak. So yeah, this time is different for sure, but as I said before, we have this massive liquidity around 74,000 area, and I think eventually we'll get there and below as well. Right now on a daily chart, we are at compression levels. I'm expecting this compression to be broken to the upside sometime in the coming 3-4 weeks, and that would be that famous retest of this area from 96 to 100,000 level, and after that I think we will continue the bear market. Okay, so currently we open the year basically flat, weekly chart, yeah, in this tight range. I'm expecting deviation from this range to the upside, and then we can continue the bear market. Ethereum. So Ethereum looks like, yeah, so we have yearly open at 3,000 basically, $10 here and there. Yeah, so 2025 open is 33.50. I am expecting at least to go and take this liquidity around 36.70 on Ethereum, and November open is waiting us at 38.50. So in the short term, I think we can have a pump until CPI, and if history is any indication, after CPI, we are having a correction too. So right now, markets are pricing in a pause from Fed, and we have, of course, some very important numbers coming: job data, as I said, and CPI on mid-January. USDT dominance as well. You can see I marked 12-hour chart here. We are kind of losing this compression mid-range level. If we have a correction here, I think, yeah, we will bounce until CPI on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So we are starting 2026 on sentiment-wise on fear. And put to call ratio is in extreme fear too. So you can see it is around 0.7. Yeah, we'll need to monitor this level, as it's very, very useful if you see any extremes below 0.6 or above, let's say 0.8 or closer to 1. Yeah, we'll see. As I said, volatility is still compressed, but we have some imbalances to the upside. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the first video for 2026. Let's wait for the next week to see the jolts and the unemployment rate to have some momentum until CPI comes out. So as I said, markets already priced in 85% chance of the pause, and yeah, so we'll need to see some more data before this indecision or this choppiness will give us a direction. So that's it for today. Happy New Year again, and let's make this year very special. Thank you. Bye.